So hold your yarn, pinky, pointer, pinch. And notice this yarn I pointed out earlier. This is where we're going to work. So pinching your slip knot with your middle finger and your thumb is very important. That's going to hold this in place. As you work, your hands will go down. Many people have the tendency to pull, and that makes it really tight. You saw my slip knot slide up. So hold the slip knot, and as you work, you'll hold your work there. So with your hook facing you, you're going to go, let me get a little tension, I just pulled it too tight when I showed you that. So you're going to take your hook, you're going to go from under and grab your yarn. That motion is called yarn over, to abbreviate it as YO. It gets its name because another way to do it, if you don't want to do all the work with your right hand, you can yarn over with your left hand. I personally keep my left hand steady. This is solid, this is the foundation. This determines your tension, so I keep my left hand steady and I make my right hand do all the work. So I make my right hand go under, grab the yarn, and I pull it through the loop on my hook. You'll notice I moved the tip of my hook down as I pulled it through. I'm not going to fight gravity, so I work with it. So let's do another chain. Holding my slip knot, which now that I have one chain becomes my work, so I'm holding my work actually with my pinky and my middle and my thumb. We're going to do the step again. From the front, grab your yarn, pull it through the loop on your hook. That's a chain. See those pretty chains? 1, 2. Let's keep going. Get a little more yarn if you need to. You can reset your hand. If you take your hand out a million times and reset it so that you have the right tension, you have enough yarn, that's completely okay. So once you have that nice tension right there, not too tight, not too loose, just keep your left pointer pointing up to the sky. You're going to take your hook, you're going to grab your yarn and pull through. I move my my middle and my thumb up to hold my work higher, so it's always right here under my hook, and I do the same thing. Under, pull through. So this is called yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. If you need to get more yarn, do so, and reset. Pinky, pointer, pinch. Get your hook, identify where your hook is going to go, and grab. Grab your yarn, pull through. Move your middle and your thumb up. I didn't say pinky that time. Grab it, pull through. It's that simple motion that's going to create these chains. This is creating the foundation row, which we will turn and work into with subsequent stitches. Your tension may not look like this, and that's completely normal. Most people's tension does not look like this when they first start. Like I mentioned earlier, it's not about tension at this point, it's about the concept. Understand conceptually what the steps are, and your tension will come with practice. So reset your hands, pinky, pointer, pinch, grab your work, nice and high up here. And let's do some more chains. Go under, grab it, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. And I keep moving my middle and my thumb up. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. When my daughter was first learning, she just made a million chains and called them snakes, and I think she intended to maybe make bracelets or make a headband just out of this because it is pretty. So keep practicing, pause, rewind, do what you need to do. Make your snakes, make your chains, and meet me back so we can do the next step, which is working into these beautiful chains.